Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Today we will discuss about important topic, that is tail of lizard. Before going to see about complete details of tail of lizard, we will discuss few basic details of lizard. Lizards belongs to the phylum Chordata in animal kingdom and the class Reptilia. Lizards are cold-blooded animals, means they will change its internal environment along with the external environment. Means, example, if you see the body temperature of lizard, it is equal to external environmental temperature. Then here we can see one big lizard. It is the biggest lizard in world. Name of this lizard is Komodo dragon. But here in this video mainly I will discuss about only one particular topic, that is tail of lizard. You have often seen the broken tail of lizard when some predator attacks the lizard. Its tail gets detached from its body, but this is not done by the predator, it is done by the lizard itself. There are number of animals, include the lizards, that remove their body parts and limbs too from its body to escape from the predator. What is the predator? Predator means the animal which will attack the another small animals and it will eat the small animals. The animal which will eat the small animal is called predator. The small animal which is eaten by the predator is called prey. To escape from the predator, lizards will do this thing. Now we will see how tail gets detached. There are different mechanisms to detachment of tail by the prey itself. Example, if you see the lizard, there is a few regions of lizard, there they has weak portion or they has weak vertebrae of vertebral column. When lizard wants to detach its tail, it uses its muscles to apply force on this weak region. Then the tail is detached from its body. There are sphincter muscles in the tail which prevents the loss of blood after the detachment of tail. Then also the skin flaps join together to prevent the infection. Then we will see why broken tail moves. The tail keeps on moving even after detachment. This is because of the neurons of the tail. The neurons of the tail keeps on giving nerve impulses for the muscle contraction. Because of this, the tail can move after detachment up to maximum 30 minutes. Then few types of lizards, they don't has tails. Hence they cannot show this type of autotomy. Autotomy means detachment of body parts from itself by itself is called autotomy. If tail is detached from the body by itself, then it is called caudal autotomy. Apart from the lizards, few types of snakes, amphibians and salamanders, they will show the autotomy. Autotomy is less in the mammals, but few mammals also show autotomy, like African spiny mice. African spiny mice can show the skin autotomy. Then if you see the human beings cannot have that much of regeneration capacity. Hence only few body parts of the human beings, if it will be dissociate from the body also, can be formed, like skin, liver and few bones. But if you see the lizards, after detachment of tail, again they can form the tail, but the new tail which is formed has less color compared to the old tail. Then most lizards require lot of energy for the regeneration of a tail. It will conserve the energy for the tail regeneration. In this regeneration period, the lizards will eat more food and move less. Because of that, we can see the formation of tail again by the process of regeneration. This is about the tail of lizard. For more interesting updates, please like, share and subscribe Lakshman Biology YouTube channel. Thank you.